how to get a free guitar course for absolute beginners or people who haven't even bought a guitar yet but are thinking of getting one. And this is the GCH Guitar Academy First Steps Guitar Course. Subscribers to the channel will know that I haven't made a video for a while, and this is because I've got a very slight injury to my picking hand, so I haven't been able to do any finger picking lessons. But in the meantime, I've been rewriting the First Steps Guitar Course, and I'm going to bring some of those lessons up to date so that the course is more complete and useful. So I've decided to make the GCH Guitar Academy First Steps Guitar Course completely free to everyone. And to make it accessible, I've uploaded it to the same area used for the fingerstyle guitar course. If you're new to this channel but would like to download the free ebooks, just go to www.ebooksforguitar.com and you'll find the link on the homepage to the registration and download area. And if you're wondering why you have to register, it's not so I can bombard you with emails or sell your details on. It's purely to protect the copyright of the ebooks. If I was just to give them away on the website, they'd become public domain. However, by asking people to register to download the ebooks, I maintain full control of the copyright, which means that other websites can't legally give away my ebooks. And in the future, if I decide I want to start charging again for the ebooks, I can. To register for the downloads, you just have to put in your name and email address, and then the download link will be sent to your inbox. Then you just click on the download link and log in using the same name and email address. And there you'll find various ebooks that you can download, including the fingerstyle guitar course and this new First Steps guitar course. Also, at the bottom of the page, you'll find various backing tracks, including the ones you'll need for the First Steps guitar course. If you'd like to download the new ebook and you've already registered for the fingerstyle guitar course, you can use the same link in the email and login details. Or, if you haven't got the original email, not to worry, there's a link at the bottom of the registration page just for you. So, if you just click on there and use the same name and email address you used to originally register, it'll allow you into the download area. At the moment, you'll find the videos in the First Steps playlist and the PDF ebook don't quite match up 100%, but they will in time, so be patient. But if you want to start straight away, not to worry, there are more than enough lessons that do match up to get you started and learning to play the guitar properly. Anyhow, that's it for this subscriber community announcement. I really hope some of you find this new ebook useful. And if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and then you'll be notified when the lessons are uploaded. I'll play this video out with one of the tunes you'll learn in the new First Steps guitar course. And this tune was especially written for the course by Sad Fantasy, and it's called Del Mar. And in the course, you've also got the backing track, so you should be able to play along and sound something like this. Thank you very much for watching, and to my subscribers and the people who comment, thank you very much as well. I get some really encouraging comments that keep me going making new videos. Here's Del Mar by Sad Fantasy. Here's another tune that's recently been put into the guitar courses, and it's in book 2 of the free fingerstyle course, and it's called Sad Romance.